Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a specific or custom ringtone for a contact on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on contacts at the bottom. Now go down the list here and select a contact that you want to set a custom ringtone. So for example, I'm going to choose Mr. Blake here, and then tap on the information button. Next, tap on edit, and then tap on view more. Now go down and tap on ringtone, and in the list here, select a ringtone that you would like to set for this particular contact. So let's say I'm going to choose Orbit. Alright, so then tap on the back key and tap on saved, and that's it. So now you can see for the contact Mr. Blake, the ringtone will be Orbit, but for everybody else it will use the default ringtone. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.